do 6 by 3, which is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And when you've got this area, you want to put your door on the second one, right here. What you then want to do is hook up this door with a border. You can use whatever border you want. Just to save time, I'll use glass. What you then want to do is you want to add yourself 2 hoppers. I will choose in my side to put them here. So that hopper's facing up the floor and that one's facing in that. Make sure you shift click and just so that you know what you've got. Here it is for me. I'll use redstone in this one as well. So basically you just shove it in there like no one cares. Really, no one does. And then what you need to do is go ahead, get a comparator and then link that up to the door. So whenever that's got items in it, it will be open. And basically, why now? If I put this in, it wouldn't be accepted. But if I put redstone in, it will be accepted because basically it's filled up with redstone. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically split it into 2 directions. And I'm just going to do a quick inverter here because that's the simplest way to do this. And surprisingly enough, once we've added our chest, which is this, we've done. So now, let's try it out. My item door will actually close. And you can see, if it's like that, you can't use this machine because anyone can chuck anything in like that and it'll be just taken out and put in. If that does happen, make sure you just split it out evenly again. It doesn't matter how even, but as long as there's no empty spots left. Goes in here, we'll see, but you will no longer be able to use it. So let's just show you. Yep. And of course, because this is made out of stone, you can of course also cover it up with stone as well. And basically, if you want to add a get out routine, you can just add that here. And if you want to, you can also move this chest, but it's up to you. I'd leave it where I am because when I'm standing on the thing to leave, just let me do that real quick. You can actually click here anyway and get your items out. So there's no point. And if you don't get it to go in because the block's too big, don't worry, you can get rid of the block because, you've got to put a slab there, right? Because otherwise that stuff can happen still. And just if you want to, again, welcome to SmilerRyan's house. That could be a secret code or just a welcome message. And then, welcome to SmilerRyan's house. What do I put? Redstone. And yeah. By the way, if you stand on there, that's how you stop the redstone clock from happening. $15.14. You can either just leave it or, yeah, it's up to you. And basically, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this simple technique, and I hope this has helped protect your builds from theft, and yeah, that's it.